Hey guys, so I've got my fronts on ramps. My vehicle's slightly elevated or inclined. This levels up my vehicle. Make sure you chalk your wheels in the front and in the back. Safety stuff first, guys, not worth dying over. And then underneath here, I'm gonna show you how to do your front transfer case. So here we are, looking down, right? That's the transfer case, guys. Okay, don't mess it up with something else. And all you need is a 3/8 standard thing. It fits right into that, okay? That's the fill plug. The drain plug is right below it. There's a white line right there. That's the drain plug. But you need to first loosen that, okay? That's easy to do. Left to loose, and you're done. About 1 quart or less is all you need, and you should be using this, guys. Honda Gear Oil, okay? GL5. This also works. It's also GL5 rated, but that's the OEM fluid, okay? So we'll see which one I decide to use, but that's the stuff you want to use. And we're gonna go ahead and take care of it now. I loosened the fill plug. See if you can see that. All right, so I loosened the fill plug. Fluid might come out. I should get my gloves on, but I'm too lazy. I'm gonna go ahead and just use my hands to loosen that up. Fluid should come out, maybe. Yep, there comes a little bit, not a lot. The fluid actually looks really good. This is the gear oil, guys. So the gear oil looks really good. After that's done draining, I'm gonna drain out the official drain plug right there. But the fluid, again, top notch. I didn't have any issues. I had a 2023 and I did it around 15,000 miles. It still looked amazingly good, okay? No issues at all. Okay, left to loose. That's it. Here she comes. All right. So it looks really good, and it honestly was not a lot of fluid. About 1 quart, guys. That's it. Okay. It's gonna finish draining pretty quick. I may use the same one, or I might use the Valvoline. We'll see. Either way, both are really excellent choices, to be honest. I think I might just go Valvoline for today. So I've had amazing results on both, and Valvoline makes an amazing product as well, so no issues with Valvoline. I'm going to tighten that up, put the plug back on. There's no magnet or anything. I'm going to reuse the same washer. I didn't have any problems last time, and I'll check for leaks, but I didn't have any issues. And honestly, the fluid looks amazing still where it's at. Torque specs, roughly 36 to 40 foot-pounds. Okay, so I'm going to tighten that up. And the white kind of lines up, so it's pretty close. You don't need to overdo it. These things are that's good. I'm gonna fill it up. I think I might just squeeze it. I might just squeeze it in like this, guys. because that's the nice thing about this Valvoline. You just freaking take the bag and you squeeze it in the hole. Today, I'm gonna use Valvoline. Here we go. So, you gotta open that up. Then I cut the tip. And then all you gotta do, shove it in the hole and squeeze. That's it, just squeeze. That's what I love about this Valvoline bag, man. You just shove it and squeeze it. It doesn't take a lot of fluid, to be honest. Some of it's coming out. I'm gonna go ahead and shove it in there. Shove the fill plug, and it's good to go, guys. That's it, okay? So, works great. Just go in there like that. Okay, so, okay, that's good enough. Shouldn't go anywhere. Just make sure you clean it up good. This is the second Ridgeline I've done this to. That's it, guys. Give it a thumbs up. There we go. All said and done. Transfer case, fill plug, drain plug. About 0.8 quarts required. Okay. Just for reference, got your engine oil over here, transfer case back there. This is your transmission drain plug. Okay, takes a special hex to open that up.